This is the Coral. It's the smallest model that Cardel make. It's 2,048 square feet. Now it can either be a 3-bed or a 4-bed option, or 2-bath or a 3-bath option. There's variations on the floor plan options here. The great thing is the base price is just under 600K, so a super affordable base model for a home with 8-foot ceilings, plenty of natural light, and a great functional floor plan. To my right is the dining table area. It's got 5 seats around that dining table. I'd say there's probably a room for an extra 6th seat, which is a lot for a home of this size. Also, my pantry to the left is a good size. There's no wasted space again. It's a really nice floor plan. This model in particular, I like the tile work, the choices. The light fixtures are also great. Again, I know I've mentioned in other videos, I do own a Cardel home, and unlike a lot of other builders, they actually come with light fixtures and things like that that aren't actually super basic and gross. So I've kept mine because they're cool. That is an upside of working with this builder. And yeah, this is the Coral. So you have now seen all 4 models here at Seaflower by Cardel. I'll be doing more with other builders down the road. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to me. It means the world to me, but it also helps the YouTube algorithm find other people like yourselves that are looking for new construction homes in the Sarasota and Bradenton area. That way, they're getting the content that you're enjoying right now. And as always, share it around with your friends, put it on Facebook, help everyone out. You get to see a cool video of some pretty cool model homes. Hopefully, you've enjoyed this episode of Model Monday, and we'll catch you on another video very soon.
Scan the QR code to connect with Darren Dowling. Follow and subscribe for exclusive Florida listings and updates.